Yeah, absolutely. The R&D tax credit.
Yeah, so basically now this one particular client has to amortize all of their expenses related to the research and development. So for our viewers who don't know, the research and development or section 174 is related to um, uh, basically business. I am really struggling with words today, you guys. Clearly, I need another cup of coffee.
That's
Oh
all
my
good.
goodness. So it's about making things better, improving things, research and development, right? And
Mhm.
so now that client has to amortize. So that means to take the expenses instead of all in 1 year, they have to, for again, Charles, you know what I'm talking about, but all of our viewers might not. Amortization is
Sure.
like depreciation, right? And you take, say, $100,000 and you get to take it over 5 years. You have to split it over 5 years. So that one client, because of that change to the R&D credits, went from having a $3,000 net income to a $300,000 net income in 1 year, and they
Hmm.
had to pay 21% tax on that.
Right.
And now and then the tax and then the expenses are getting amortized over time. That change came from the Trump Jobs Act, and I'm very mad at him for that. I'm very mad at
Yeah.
Congress for that.
Yeah.
Do you
Another
have
way
you
to,
by oh, go ahead.
I was gonna just explain on it. What that means is, just say if they normally spent $500,000 in research and development expenses, what ends up happening before Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, they can write off the whole 500K, not just a write off, but actually they would get a credit. And a credit,
Correct.
and a credit versus deduction is huge. Deduction is, you spend 300,000 on something, is going to save you about 100,000 in taxes. About a third of whatever you spend is going to reduce your tax bill. A credit is, you get a $500,000 credit. Well, then that's 500. It's dollar for dollar return. It's like money all the way back.
Yep,
So,
exactly.
so like,
Exactly. So you're
instead of
you're
getting all that
basically
in one
getting
year,
that you're getting a deduction in your tax liability, not a deduction in your net income.